In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Workspace with your Wix domain. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's begin by logging into your Google Workspace admin console. This initial step is crucial, as it is your gateway to managing your Google Workspace settings and domains. If you need a reminder, just open your browser, type in Google Workspace admin console, and log in with your credentials. Once inside, you'll have access to all the tools you need to configure your domain settings properly. Now let's shift our focus to Wix, where you host your domain. Open your Wix dashboard and head over to the Domains section. This area is vital because it's where you manage your domain configurations. Here, you should be able to see a list of domains you own or manage. Select the domain you intend to link with Google Workspace. Be sure to review the current settings, which is a good practice to ensure everything is in order moving forward. The next area of interest is the DNS settings. Within your Wix domain settings, find and click on DNS settings. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it's essential because it translates domain names into IP addresses, guiding the internet on how to route its traffic. This step requires careful attention as you'll be editing these records. Once you're in your Wix DNS settings, it's time to add the Google Workspace MX Records. MX stands for Mail Exchange, which are entries that direct email to your domain server. You should have a list of Google Workspace MX records provided to you. Add these records to your Wix DNS settings. This step is crucial, as it ensures your email will be routed through Google Workspace, allowing you to send and receive emails under your domain. Keep in mind the changes might take a bit of time to propagate, so a little patience here can go a long way. After updating the MX records, you'll need to verify domain ownership through Google Workspace Setup. Verification is an essential security measure to confirm that you indeed own the domain you're setting up. To do this, go back to your Google Workspace setup and locate the verification option. Follow the prompts provided, which might involve adding a TXT record to your DNS settings or another verification method, depending on what's recommended by Google. This step ensures that no one else can claim ownership of your domain, safeguarding your online identity. Finally, complete your email setup by testing the ability to send and receive emails. Send a test email to another account and reply to it, ensuring that both incoming and outgoing mail functions are operating correctly. This last step confirms that your integration is working smoothly and you're ready to fully utilize the benefits of Google Workspace with your Wix domain. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Workspace to your Wix domain, paving the way for a more efficient email management system. Your email setup is now primed for business communications, empowering you to operate with professionalism and ease.